Hey, how's it going? My name is Luis here. I'm doing just a live demo showing off a project that I've been working on for the past couple of weeks called Household Ops. Um, After checking the software available from a company that offers like family management and property management solutions, I found that they have had a gap in regards to like inventory handling, tasks within a household, staff management for a household, and so on. So I decided to tackle on this project to dust off a little bit of Java skills and front end skills. So I'll just be showing a live demo here. Here's the login screen. I've set up some default profiles here. I'm gonna go first with staff and then I'm gonna show you how it looks for an owner. So here's what is available for staff. Here's a little dashboard that's gonna show them what's low on stock on the inventory, what's expiring or running out soon, any open tasks, and any tasks that are pending approval. And then it's going to show items that are low on stock right now here as well. Then for tasks, um, so they can see tasks that are either assigned to them or unassigned. So if any staff feels they're capable of doing an unassigned task, they can go ahead and claim it for themselves. And when they start doing their tasks, they can go ahead and set it up in progress. They can start doing, and they can also set up a task if they found one. Let's say the microwave broke, so they can say microwave broke. That should be fixed for Friday, and that will have a cost of, let's say, $600. They can add the task. If the cost is over $500, then it's gonna require an approval from the house manager or house owner. We're gonna take a look into that a little bit later. Then on the inventory side, this is the biggest part. It's gonna give us a quick inventory value of what's on the inventory. This is just preliminary. Just showing it simply. Probably put to a table. Show it in a table afterwards. Then here you can have just a quick little list of vendors that you usually contact for items. You can add vendors right here, and then you can also bulk import. Here's a template right here, and you can then set up with this template, um, and then it's gonna add anything on the template in here that wasn't in here. Um, so here's how an item looks in the inventory. So like for example, olive oil is low on stock. Uh, it's gonna ask to reorder at 3 bottles. Here's the vendor provider. Here's the cost per unit, and then here's an average of how many days until it's empty. On show history, you're gonna be seeing uh, when it's being updated on like on the inventory, so like consumption, who added some, so like Evelyn here added 2, and then you can modify here if it's like a recount correction and it wasn't real usage, then you can just click on recount, then update it, and then it's gonna show here a manual correction, and then if it was just regular consumption, then just update it, and it's gonna show consumption here. And then in here you can just add items to the inventory. And then on the shopping list, you're gonna have the items that are being low in stock, so it's gonna auto pop them on your shopping list, and then you can just mark them as purchased. You can also check the inventory for restock, so if something is running low, um, just go and check inventory for restocks, and it's gonna pop up here on the shopping list. On staff, you can just check what's the current staff for the house. As our current profile, which is Priya, is just staff, then it's not gonna have the ability to modify any of this. And then the assistant, um, this is using a Claude LLM. In this case, Priya can ask her, what does the house need before Friday? And the LLM is going to provide you with a list uh, of the things, and then it's using the own tools that I set up for it. And then you can keep on asking the conversation if you needed anything else. That's it for how a staff member looks. And then let's go to like an owner. For Evelyn, it's going to look a little bit different. Uh, so on tasks, they're going to be able to assign them. And inventory looks mostly the same. And then on approvals, remember we said that the microwave broke, so Evelyn here can go ahead and decide. They can add a note and approve their project so the task can start getting worked in. Also on staff, they can go ahead and set up staff members in here and set them up with a quick profile, just email, password, and then the role that the staff's going to have. And they can also change roles on current staff and deactivate them. And then on portfolio is where Evelyn can assign or see all of her different households. The whole idea is this is meant for house owners that have multiple houses and have to administrate them. So just they can just switch between their households and just check on pending approvals on each, or they can also change here on the top right. And this is gonna be a complete different um, inventory, different staff, different approvals, and so on. But yeah, pretty simple project that I've been working on. I've used Spring Boot for it on the backend along with Java. For the inventory, I used the Redis for cache. Because anytime the low stock procedure would be run, then that's being cached on the system. So that's run here, that's run on the inventory, that's run on the shopping list, and that's also ran at the assistant. So that's why I set it up in cache. But yeah, that's about it. Um, Thank you for listening. I'll be uploading a video shortly with a little bit more of the backend and just showing the code and how I did certain stuff. But just wanted to keep this one short. Thank you. Have a good one.